Good morning, first grade families. This is our weekly update for the week of June 1st, 2020. We're going to start with our shout outs for students that have been doing an awesome job with our digital learning tools, Imagine Learning, Dreambox, Seesaw, as well as participating in our Zoom meetings. If you're having difficulty with the Imagine Learning app, please let me know. Some families have had difficulty with using the app on a tablet. WCNY continues to provide instruction in math as well as story time and many other programs for our students. We are having Zoom meetings this week. Tuesday at 12:30 we'll have an ELA lesson. Wednesday at 1 o'clock our gym teachers, Mr. LeClaire and Mr. Whitehurst, will be joining us for our Zoom meeting. Thursday at 3 o'clock we'll have a math lesson. The invitation for the Zoom meetings will be sent to you each morning. Please come to the Zoom meetings with something to write on, such as paper or a dry erase board. We won't always use it, but at least we'll be prepared. I will be coming around this week, either Wednesday or Thursday, to deliver June work packets. These packets will contain ELA work with reading passages and comprehension questions, as well as phonics pages, and math pages similar to last month that help students practice basic skills. There will be pencil work as well as cut and paste activities. I've also included a parent section to highlight skills and at-home activities for summer practice. These next few slides are just reminders about where students should be by the end of first grade. If you have any questions or difficulty using these specific programs, please contact me. This is just a page to reference where students should be reading by the end of first grade. And this is a list of our first grade phonics skills, as well as a list of our first grade math skills. This doesn't include all of the math skills. These are the standards that were taught, and so we want to reinforce those skills. So anytime you have questions about the curriculum or anything about school, please reach out to me, and I will do my best to answer those questions. And remember, take it one day at a time. Do what works for your family. Reach out to teachers and the school for help, and you are loved. Have a great week, first grade family, and we'll see you on Zoom.